There we are. So now I can have these slicers develop for every placard of the information. This can be a very meaningful information. Otherwise, you would have been struggling to get info from the columns as I showed over here, like these two columns. So such formulas based on these spontaneous scenarios help us get all the information in one place with the limited space on our dashboards. So this is why DAX is important. This is how the DAX is used. And now we would move ahead and try and understand what are the different kinds of operator available to us in DAX and what does every operator mean. That would form the base of your DAX learning. And then we slowly move to the next important topic on the DAX as I'll show you as and when we proceed.